On July 4th, my wife and I went out to go see the fireworks. And so the next morning I woke up, my car was missing. And here's the footage of what happened. As you can see, around 3:20 in the morning, this guy walks up to my car. Literally takes him 90 seconds to get into the car. He's rummaging around in the car. It's so weird to, actually see somebody going through your personal belongings like that. It's kind of an awkward feeling. Rummaging through all the stuff. It's kind of hard to see what exactly he's doing, but you can see him like fidgeting around. There are times that it actually looks like he's on the passenger side. He got the lights to work. There he goes. He opens the door. He calls for somebody, and this second dude shows up about 20 minutes later and helps push the car away. And that's that. That was actually July 4th of 2018, the night of July 4th, 2018. And it's crazy. It's been 1 year since that car's been stolen. And I just wanted to say that I feel like things happen for a reason, because if that car was never stolen, my current engine build, my current motor build would not be where it's at. As some of you guys who follow the channel already know, I'm building my own motor for the first time. It's a K20 head, K24 bottom end, and I'm grateful that I've come so far within this 1 year. If I had to ask myself last year what my plans would have been with the car, or what am I going to do now without the car, probably wouldn't have imagined this. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the channel. Again, please help us by hitting the subscribe button, clicking that notification, and dropping us a comment. We'll see you next time. Peace.